Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel. First things first, for you to open Microsoft Excel, just locate the Excel icon on your desktop or search for it in the Start menu. Once you have found it, just double-click on the icon and Excel will open automatically, presenting you with a blank workbook. Then, for you to understand the Excel interface, know that Excel is composed of rows and columns, forming cells where you can input data. At the top, you have the ribbon, which contains various tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and etc. And on the left, you'll find the column labels, which is A, B, C, and on the top, the row numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. To enter data, just click on a cell by selecting its intersection of a column and a row. Once a cell is selected, just start typing to enter your data. Press enter to move the next cell below or use the arrow keys if you want to. You want to do a double click on a cell to edit its content, make changes, and press enter to save it. Formulas are equations also that perform calculations in Excel. To start a formula with an equal sign, just use equal sign and use cell references and mathematical operators. For addition, of course, we use plus, subtraction, we use minus, multiplication, we use times, and division, we use slash. And other mathematical operation or formulas that we can attach or use in Excel as long as it follows the rules. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.